It's happening. What's up, internet? I'm Brian McDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. And today I am super excited, in case you couldn't tell, so pumped up about this. I was able to get my hands on an order of the brand new Steam Deck OLED limited edition. But in order to encapsulate this moment forever, to show how excited I was about this, I thought, new Steam Deck in a box. Let's unbox it. The Steam Deck OLED limited edition, oh my goodness. Let's start with what this is over here. We shall remove this. I believe this is the little power adapter. Yes, it literally says right on it, power adapter. Okay, so that's what this is. And if we remove this, this is just your typical power adapter charger. This is what charges up the Steam Deck rather quickly. And this looks a little bit different this time around. Looks like we have the Steam logo on it. That's interesting. And these are little adhesives. So once you remove that, there's the Steam logo. Looks a lot prettier that way. But enough of the power adapter. You don't care about that, I know. You care about this baby right here. So let me put this here, get this box out of my face so you could actually see me now. Put that off to the side. We shall remove it from its wrapper. No turning back now. The Steam Deck OLED limited edition. Quick look at the wrapper on the case here. You can see Steam Deck OLED with that little limited edition badge right there. All of this, by the way, shimmering ever so beautifully in the light down here in the studio. But I know you don't care about that. We're here to unbox this baby, so let's untap this thing. Well, that didn't work. All right, we're just gonna, we're gonna help this along a little bit. I'm trying to make this pretty. It's not pretty, it's just kinda difficult, I guess, to do. I just got a paper cut like crazy. Oh my. That one might end up being a bleeder. Okay, let's just pretend. Whoop, there we go, we did it. Okay, pop this bad boy open. Here is your carrying case for the Steam Deck OLED limited edition. A little bit different from the original Steam Deck case right here. I can see that's in color. This is blacked out. If you flip this over, there's still a little spot here to keep your power adapter, your charging cord, with a little carrying case for that. So that comes on the bottom. Love this little thing. Just stick it on in there once you have your power adapter wrapped up in it. Now, another thing you're gonna notice here that's new on the carrying case is this little reinforcing Velcro strip right here. I think this is basically just to make sure that it is locked closed. God forbid if you were to happen to open up your zippers and forget that you did not zipper them back up, you go to take your Steam Deck away and that thing goes flying. So it's nice that Steam actually decided to incorporate a little reinforced Velcro strap right there. But here's the actual moment of no turning back. We actually have to rip this open, and where's my unboxing knife when I need it? Okay, come on. All right, I have no idea where my unboxing knife went. I found this extremely old and rusty knife. Honestly, I'm pretty sure banana is sharper than this right here. Okay, but we're gonna try it anyway. All right, we did it. That's it. We shall flip this baby over. We shall release the reinforcing Velcro strap. Unzipper this. Ooh, deep breath, calm down. Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness. There it is! The limited edition Steam Deck. Oh my goodness, where have you been all my life? So take a look, the way she glistens, the duotone color scheme we have going on here. Oh, she's so beautiful. And this is what sold me on the limited edition right here, this two-tone color scheme you have going on. Obviously paired with not only a semi-translucent plastic covering, but also some design elements in there as well. If you look closely, it's not just semi-translucent. There's actually some design flares there that, even though you can see through it slightly, you still have some cool texturization, if you will. Some graphic design work. I like that. Quickly, we're also gonna see in the carrying case, you will have your microfiber cloth, and this is pretty self-explanatory. You just take this out, and you could use this to, of course, clean up your display here on the Steam Deck. Believe it or not, first thing I'm gonna do, even though this is an anti-glare display, I'm slapping a screen protector on this thing because that is the most important to me. That's why I got this. for the display. And then if you look here at the carrying case itself, I believe this is exclusive to the limited edition Steam Deck OLED, where you have the kind of schematics design when you open it up. Very nice, very cool, definitely eye-catching, something I'm already in love with. So we shall turn it on for the first time. There it is! And that display is no joke, man. Now this feels like a pretty premium handheld gaming device. This is feeling good, literally just by looking at the logo. I could tell that. Am I crazy? Probably, but that's how I feel. And we are on the setup screen, so per usual on this channel, although this is probably interesting to some of you, I'm not gonna bore you with the setup process. I'm gonna snap my fingers, it's all gonna be done for you. It's set up. The Steam Deck OLED limited edition turned on and being used for the first time. Oh my goodness, it already feels amazing. Now obviously it's gonna be a little bit difficult for you to totally understand and comprehend how great this display looks and feels. There's also what feels like some new haptics and some better touch capabilities as well, so I'm gonna be testing all of that out. But first impressions, I'm excited. I'm gonna be downloading all my games. I'm gonna be playing this tonight. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts on the new Steam Deck OLED, especially the limited edition. Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's sexy? Do you think all of the above? Let me know in the comment section below. But that is the unboxing of the Steam Deck OLED limited edition. Still cannot believe I actually have this in my hands. I'm super excited to put this to the test to see if the upgrades that were changed on the inside of the Steam Deck OLED, in addition to obviously the OLED display, are worth the upgrade. I'm so excited to put all that to the test. I'm gonna start tonight. But if you wanna make sure you do not miss the review of the Steam Deck OLED limited edition when it drops, make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you don't miss that video when it's available. But with that having been said, I am immediately putting a screen protector on this bad boy. It's literally ready to go. I'm not taking any chances. This is my new baby. I will see you guys in my next video.